Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So if you notice during this bear market, I only really cover a few gaming cryptos because basically these were the ones that I feel sort of represent the whole metaverse slash gaming crypto space from a technical analysis perspective or from a macro trend perspective. One of those key games that we track is Illuvium. I don't own Illuvium. I will probably never own Illuvium. It's just not my thing. Will the project be successful in the future? Highly likely as well, given the hype and the community behind it. But one of the reasons why I like tracking Illuvium in particular is because it adheres very closely to Elliott wave and Fibonacci structures. It has been my bear market cheat sheet over the past couple of months. And it's important for us to track Illuvium because Illuvium sort of represents the overall trend for the gaming crypto space. So let's dive into the charts just to see what I'm talking about. So looking at Illuvium on a weekly time frame, I want you to pay attention to this particular trend right here. You have your wave 1. The wave 2 was a sharp correction. Wave 3 was a impulse wave to the downside that was pretty significant. The wave 4 is a flat correction. And because we broke through this particular 100 plus level right here, we are now on our way down. And we are going through our wave 5 to destinations currently unknown before we map out the structure. And if you look at the Illuvium price structure right here, it is very clean. It follows Elliott wave theory to a T. For example, this guideline of alteration within an impulse says that during corrective phases, you have sharp style corrections followed by flat style corrections. What do we see for Illuvium? We have sharp style corrections after this impulse wave 1, followed by flat style corrections, followed by the wave 5. So now that we know that Illuvium adheres very strictly to Elliott wave precepts here, where do we go moving forward? Because we have finally broken through this particular 70 plus price level right here. Well, if you watched my Illuvium videos before, we did specify that if you draw a Fibonacci structure at the end of this particular wave 1 right here, and this is the all-time high, and you map out a reverse Fibonacci structure, this is what it looks like. This particular chart has been one that we have been following now for months. And as you notice, it is adhering to Fibonacci structures to a T. During the wave 4 or during Bitcoin's rise from 17,000 to around 20 plus thousand, Illuvium had a flat structure, but look at where it was hugging. It kept hugging this 110 range. Why? Because this was the key support level of the 2. When we broke through over the past couple of weeks, what did it do? It explored this chasm right here from the 2 to the 2.272, and it fell from 110 to 75. Key target that we've always had when it comes to our price action for Illuvium. It tried to hold that key support area for a couple of weeks, but it has since broken through. So if you look at it, this particular 2.272 of around 74.8 or 75 or however sensitive your metric is, we have been hanging around here, but we have officially broken this particular candle right here. So now where do we go moving forward? We have two particular options here. Because if you look at the Illuvium price structure, it really takes a lot of time for price action to really play out. The first scenario is we may mimic this particular wave 1 right here. So let me just draw it for you. So if we mimic the wave 1, then we have a technical target of around $26. And I did have a comment before that never believed me that we may reach here. We can, of course, if Bitcoin really and the rest of the crypto markets really crap the bed here. This could be our destination if we are mimicking the wave 1 length. So if you're mimicking a wave 1 length, then we are primed for the bottom, hopefully, by around the third week of November. So if we are following wave 1, our technical target now is around 26.6 with a November target date. But if we are mimicking the wave 3, which is a larger impulse move to the downside, then we will have some more pain to come. Because if we are following this structure, then we really do have a technical target of around $17 right here if the wave 5 is as deep as this particular wave 3 right here. So the key lesson that we have always emphasized over the year now is really patience is key. During bear markets like this, patience is really key. You really have to wait for the opportunities to sort of prime themselves up because it really takes a long time for price action to take hold. So for those who are interested in investing in Illuvium, do wait until the end of the year here before really evaluating your options because there are price targets that Illuvium wants to go to at the moment. given the overall weakness of Bitcoin, crypto, and even the rest of the asset classes. Yo, before you go, like this video, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. Thank you very much and have a good day.